This photo is a well-known rock formation to the South Tredegar known as the Rock and Stone. It stands high above the valley floor on the mountainside above the main road between Tredegar and the next major town of Blackwood. The buildings you see behind it are the Porching coal mine and was one of the many pits owned by Tredegar Iron and Coal Company. Like other coal mines in the area, it supplied coal for the railways and also the Royal Navy to run the steamships. By 1935, the coal mine was the largest owned by Tredegar Iron and Coal Company, employing over 1,400 men. However, by the 1950s and 60s, other sources of fuel had been discovered and were becoming more popular as a result of the colliery closed in 1964. Today, nothing remains of the Porching and colliery, and the only way you can tell that it exists here is the strangely flat area at the bottom of the valley, created out of all the waste and materials from the pit. Of course, one thing still survives today. It's the Rock and Stone, which still sits high above the valley, as it always done, providing a fantastic viewpoint towards Tredegar.